So the old age of the woman, Tina Chin, who can't find her age paper, who claims that she is 34, decided to come for me today. Because from morning she had dash out and I wanted to be a blood clot things. And I call up everybody name on our dirty blood clot page. But everybody on your page hate you. Because nobody on your page not like you. They only come on your page to fucking bring back news to other people and laugh after you. You have black the wrong blood clot people them. At the end of the day, me name care. Because me name will tell you what are the things them on you. Because you deserve it. You nasty dirty cockroach. Yes. Go exterminate a cockroach them out of your house. Yes, go exterminate your bed bug them. Yes, go wash your pussy good and go look a man with his stay with you. Yes, leave them like a pity them, leave like a young boy them alone. Like a 19-year-old them, they don't want you. They don't want you as something them a look you big man to mind them. All you have to pay for cocky, nobody still now fuck you. Stop about how me have sell pussy pass and this and that. At least me could have sell pussy and still get a husband. You never sell pussy and you can't even get a blood clot man to fuck you twice. Tina, she not talk to me. You start your blood clot dirty thinking comment by talking about my body. What the blood clot you know about my body? Eh? What you know about my body? Eh? My good blood clot body. If your man see my body, I go want him, but me not go want him coming on the residue of your pussy if you come in and see me. Because you not in your home rotten out. You use drugs, cocaine, and rotten out your home. You don't know whom, Tina Chin. That's why no man not stay with you. Don't call my blood clot name. You dirty woman. Go away. You could have been my mama. Tina Chin move. Me in a company and dirty woman. As a matter of fact, Tina Chin, you can't see me tired and come in and my face a blood clot. And if you want, you see, instead of you go and talk, that's you need to do. Because right now, I have no time for your foolishness. Because everybody on Facebook hate you, everybody can wrong. Are you wrong? Are you a blood clot trouble people? Go away. Go away. Or reprobate. Or blood clot. Or vulture. Or scavenger. Or society reject. Nobody no want your blood clot. I mean, know why me they argue with you when blood clot, the Batman over St. Vincent done you. Matter and come back, come polish you off, come just dash you down in a rubbish heap where you belong. Then Spooky come back, come push you down in a rubbish heap like a further. And Raga come back, come just blood clot murder you. Raga just come back, come finish you. Tina Chin, me never know if you could have still have more to talk. Me cry when me see when Raga done you, you know. When Raga done you, Tina Chin, me cry, me say, oh God, them to left the blood clot woman now. I know she has first somebody can drugs in her dirty, nasty, stinking pussy. Why them I deal with her stuff? Huh? People do what they have to do to take care of them kids. You can't tell me not. My life is a walking book, bitch. Anything you want about me, blood clot, ask me. My pussy still good. Ray.
And do not like it, well, I'm blocked. Sure.